Hello friends, welcome to Y for You. This is my free gram account. How to free gram and how to earn money with free gram. Go to home page and my referral link and click here and go to your Gmail and sign up. This is my available balance and this is my gram and this is gram price. Show how to work. First, go to free roll and get start roll. Click here in roll and get perfect win and more option. Go to lottery and go to referral. This is my referral link and copy and type and go to this video below link below and click here and sign up. This is videos with payment proof and one video uploading earn 5 gram. This is daily smart content and 5 days claim your contents and earn money. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.